Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video I am here with the new off-campus recruitment drive from the MedPlus company. So let us get started with this video. MedPlus company, which is hiring for the fresher candidates, and this is a very good or exciting opportunity for the fresher candidates. So first of all, let me tell you that year of graduations are allowed 2019, 2020 and 2021 batch candidates are eligible to apply. Okay, so you can check here written test locations and date. What there will, first of all, there will be an online test, and test of location will be Bangalore, Hyderabad, Hubli, Indore, Coimbatore, Nagpur, Vizag, Vijayawada and Chennai. All these test locations they have provided, and 5.5 lakh per annum be your it will be your CTC, and there are total 50 positions. And work location will be Hyderabad only, because you can see here, because their main office is in Hyderabad, and different test locations are available. You can give your test as per your location, but your work location will be Hyderabad only. So qualifications are any BE, BTech or ME, MTech, BCA, MCA with good analytical and coding skills, whereas your passing out year should be 2019, 20 or 2021. Okay, so I hope you got the above provided the information. Then your job role or designation will be associate software engineer, as this is mainly for fresher candidates. So eligibility criteria, as I have already told you, that any BE, BTech or ME, MTech, BCA, MCA graduation with good analytical and coding skills, 2019, 2020 and 2021 batch. Skills required: knowledge of core computer science concept including data structure, algorithm, database and operating system. Okay, then familiar with programming in C or Java or Python. It's not necessary that you should be expert in these programming languages. If you are having a basic knowledge about this, about Java, that is also fine. And don't worry, during your initial days they will provide you training. Familiar with web development using HTML, JavaScript or CSS, good logical reasoning skills, have the desire to learn different technologies at rapid pace, flexibility to adapt to changing workplace requirements. So these are the skills they are required. Application process will be based on the applications received. First of all, you need to register for this off-campus drive. Okay, based on the registration, candidates will be shortlisted for the written test. Yeah, whatever details you will be given, those details they will check. First they will check your details, and after that they will shortlist the candidate for the written test, and they will be informed via email or SMS latest by 9 of November 2021. Suppose if I applied for this drive, and then they will review my details, what is my criteria, what are the percentage that I got in my during the graduation from 10th till higher education, and based on these details they will shortlist my CV, and they will inform me till 9th of November 2021. Okay, then you will receive this mail, you will receive these details on your email only. So please give your email ID correct. Shortlisted candidates who have received the email for written test, then you will need to visit this page. You need to visit this page and reconfirm that they will be appearing for the test. Reconfirmation needs to be done by 14th of November. Okay, that means once you receive this mail for the written test, you need to confirm that. You need to go to this page and you need to confirm that yes, you will attend this test. You need to give the confirmation, because they need to prepare at their end where you will give your test at a particular test location. So that's why they wants to reconfirm that how many candidates want to give the test. So reconfirmation needs to be done by 14th of November. Hall tickets will be issued by 17th of November 2021. Only candidates who have self reconfirmed, suppose if I reconfirmed after getting shortlisted, will receive hall ticket. So you will receive your hall ticket only when you reconfirm the when you reconfirm for the written test. Based on the performance in the exam, selected or waitlisted candidates will be notified via email or SMS. We will not be able to send any individual regret emails to candidates who were not shortlisted during the selection process. Suppose if I don't clear my written test, then I won't get any mail. Suppose if you crack your test, then only you will receive mail for further round. Okay, so they have directly mentioned that we will not be able to send any individual regret mail to candidates, those who were not shortlisted during the selection process. So evaluation process will be round 1. Section A will be multiple choice questions test comprising general aptitude, logical, numerical ability, core computer science and programming concept, which includes bitwise operator, operating system concept, data structure, string manipulation, OPS concept, basics of database, SQL and basics of web technologies. In that round 1, section B will be there, and coding test comprising of 2 to 3 problems. Coding problems will be asked for which codes need to be written. There will be programming questions will be asked, either 2 or 3. You need to write the code for that. Suppose if suppose 3 programming questions asked and you solved only one, and then also you will get shortlisted. As well as suppose if you solved one problem and only one test case is passed, then also you will get shortlisted. So please keep in mind this point. Candidate need to meet the cutoff criteria for section A and section B individually to be eligible for selection. Round 2 will be in person or online. That means in person means either you need to visit the location which they will mention, otherwise it will be online like Skype interview or Teams interview as per their preference. That will be HR assessment. Shortlisted candidate will be notified through email only. Compensation details, that means salary details, starting CTC of 5.5 lakh per annum inclusive of 50,000 per annum retention bonus. The above mentioned retention bonus of 50,000 per month will be accumulated and paid as a lump sum amount of 1.5 lakh at the end of third year with the company. Suppose you get shortlisted for the company, you started working, and you have ended up your 3 works. Suppose if you worked for the 3 years with the company, then you will get the retention bonus of 1.5 lakh at the end of third year with the company. All selected candidates will be eligible for the annual performance appraisal leading to suitable salary increment. Okay. So all selected candidates will be eligible for annual performance appraisal. What is appraisal? Like what was your annual performance? So based on performance there will be appraisal, your position get increased, your salary increments will be there. So suitable to salary increments from the end of first year onwards. Then there will be service agreement of 2 years with the company. There will be a service agreement of 2 years with the company, and work location will be Hyderabad as I earlier mentioned, and your CTC will be 5.5 lakhs per annum, and there are total 50 positions are available. So you can check here, you need to click on apply now button to apply for this off campus drive, and click on sample paper button to view just sample paper, how your written test will be. Okay, so click on apply now button to apply for this off campus drive. Please share this video with your friends as well so that they will also get a chance to apply, and thanks for watching this video.